fam? It's your cousin Hype, and we're back with another one. Today we just got a quick little unboxing. Just got in my new iPhone 12 Pro and wanted to, I couldn't wait to unbox it. So this is not your official video how you usually get it, but we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick something so you can see what I got. Alright, also picked up a Spigen Easy Fit tempered glass with the applicator. We got that on deck. Won't do this. I won't apply this on screen, but just to let you know, we'll just kind of check it out. Also picked up the iPhone leather wallet. It's kind of expensive, but I think it's gonna work for me very well for my habits. And then we might just do a quick side by side. This is the current iPhone 12, and this is the iPhone XS Max, which we'll kind of do a size comparison right now, and maybe later we'll do a deeper dive into it. So without further ado, let's kind of get into it. So we'll start off real quick with the Spigen Easy Fit applicator. So whenever you get a new phone, you definitely want to get some tempered glass, because along with a case, which I don't have a case for it right now, but that's another unboxing. So you open up the Spigen, you kind of just get your lens cleaning wipes, some instructions here. Yep, you got some visual instructions. This is probably how I'll put it on. These visual instructions here. And you got this applicator, which for me, just you get two tempered glass, but for me with this type of product, it just takes out that OCD of mine, which you're just trying to line everything up perfectly, and I become consumed in that. But with this, I'll just put it on and we'll be done with that. How about that? So, alright, digging that. Maybe I'll do a quick video how do you put that on later or something. I don't know, who knows. Alright, then we'll go with the Apple wallet. So the iPhone leather wallet is what they call it, the MagSafe wallet. And I went with the saddle brown. Just because if I'm getting a real leather watch, a real leather product, I'd rather get like the browns. And it's leather, so that's nice, and it looks like it's crafted very well. Kind of like a high-end, high-end leather, maybe like a Louis purse or something like that, or a Louis bag. And it has a slot on the back of it where I guess you would pull out your cards, and should fit about 3 cards, they say. Now, why is this good for me? It's good for me because with this, it drastically lowers my chance of losing my wallet or not being able to find my wallet when I'm going out the door. Something that's a habit of mine, a bad habit, but I think this, it is kind of expensive, but it is high quality, so I do think this will serve me well. You don't need to take all of your cards on you. That's the next thing. This will train me to take what I do need, and everything else you can kind of leave in the car. All right, so we got the iPhone MagSafe wallet. Put that to the side and see how that actually would fit on. We'll do this iPhone 12 right here. Sorry for the fingerprints, everybody, but you know how it is. Okay, not bad, right? Yeah, so it fits on, nice look, and it's not too hard to take off, which makes sense so that you wouldn't be fighting to take off, every time you need to remove this thing. I think it's made well. The magnet is strong enough, So yeah, definitely, I think this would be a good buy here. All right, that's on the iPhone 12, so it also works with the iPhone 12 Pro, which I'm about to unbox right now in the Pacific Blue colorway. But let's do it, man. All right, boom. As soon as you come out, they just showcase the huge selling point, which is the camera, which is the reason I even want this phone. Is for the camera. I do a lot of my B-rolls and outside shots on the iPhones. Wow, so the edge on this one is a bit different from the 12 with, you know, you're seeing how the material's a lot different. This is a bit more heavier, but this is not a comparison video, just kind of going through it real quick. But I can definitely see how people are saying that this will be a fingerprint magnet on the side. So, but beautiful. Let's go ahead and just continue to unbox, right? Okay, Here you have it. You know, about the same size, and the other size comparison with the 10s Max. So I actually thought this would have been the same size as the 10s Max for some reason. I guess the 12 Pro Max will be the same size as the 10X Max, I'm assuming. But so that's pretty much it, man. You get no charging brick, but you do get your charging cables. So that's it, man. A very minimalist unboxing for iPhone. I guess they're putting less things inside, but hey man, I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. Just wanted to kind of do this quick unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and install my Easy Fit tempered glass to this baby, and we'll be looking for a case pretty soon. And but I mean, that's all we got for you today. You know, this is your boy Hype. If you have any questions, you know, you can hit me up in the comment section. And if you like reviews like this, we do this weekly. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my weekly drops. And that's it. We out of here. It's your cousin. Peace.